Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your PC. First, open the web browser and go to the official CapCut website. The correct URL is www.capcut.com. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once you are on the home page, look for the download for Windows or download for Mac button depending on your system. Click on the button download and then choose the location, click save. After that, you go here, click show in folder. Right click here and then run as administrator. Okay. After installation is complete, CapCut will open automatically and you can now start a new project and begin editing your videos directly from your PC. It is free and there's no watermark on exports if you are logged in with your free account. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel and see you in the next video.